Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we're going to display the dynamic banners on the front end using MetaBox and Bricks Builder. These are two banners that have the same content but different size and position. They are not drawn as images. These ones are for demo, so I did not style it well enough. But, the special thing in this practice is that their background, text, color, or any element of the banner are stipulated from the content saved in custom fields, so that you can change the banner context to anything you want without changing the layout or designing a new one. These fields are in a settings page. To do so, we'll use the following tools. First, we need MetaBox to create a settings page and custom fields for the banner. Moreover, we'll need some advanced features of MetaBox, so you can download its extensions individually or use the MetaBox all-in-one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Settings Page allows you to create a settings page to input banner information. MetaBox Builder provides a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. Finally, we'll use Bricks to build the page. That's all the tools we need for this tutorial. We'll use a settings page to include all the content and other settings of the banner. Just go to MetaBox to create a settings page. There is no need for special settings for it in this practice. After publishing, you can see a new settings page named Banner appeared here. It's blank now, so just move one to create custom fields for it. These are some fields that I'll create for the banner. This is to set to display the banner on front end or not. You can turn on or turn off the banner easily thanks to it. All the other fields are the content of the banner. They're just typical ones. You should create fields based on your requirement of the banner as your own. Move to the MetaBox menu to create them. Choose the checkbox type for the first field, which regulates whether to display the banner or not. For the other fields for the content of the banner, just create without special settings. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Settings Page, and select Banner to display the created fields to the settings page we use for the banner. Now the custom fields are ready on the settings page, so you can start adding content for the banner. Simply go to Bricks and create a template to display the banner and regulate how its content displays. Then, put this template into any place on any page you want. Select the template type and edit it with Bricks. Add a section to cover the banner content. There will be a container inside it. We'll add some elements inside this container to display the banner's content. But first, we should add a condition to set whether to display the banner or not following the value that we choose for this custom field. I will use CSS to do it. So, I will add a dynamic class for this section element. Go to this attribute section. Add a new one. This is to name a class for this element. This is where we set the name. However, to make this class be dynamic, there is a Select Dynamic Data button here. Choose the field where we stipulate if to display the banner or not. So the name of the class will be changed following the status of this field. Next, go to the CSS section. Add this code. This is the name of the dynamic class that we have set. If you check this box to show the banner, the value saved in this field will be yes. And the class will be like this. So these lines of code will display the banner on pages. Otherwise, if you uncheck this box, the class will be like this. Then the banner will disappear. Before displaying content from custom fields, we should add some div elements to divide content into separate parts for styling them easier later. Now, add a basic text element for the banner's title. Click this Select Dynamic Data button and search for the wanted field. Currently, it'll display like this. Don't worry, you can see the right text on the front end. For the banner's description, add another basic text element. We also use the Select Dynamic Data button and choose the field correspondingly. For the background image of the banner, I will add the image from the custom field to be the background of this div element. There also is a button for selecting dynamic data from custom fields here as well. Just search for the one where we saved the image for the banner. Now you can see the image display in the background. I have some fields to regulate the color and position of the text on the banner. Whenever users change the value in those custom fields, the style of the text will automatically be changed as well. It'll be done very easily since Bricks allows adding some attributes using dynamic data. This is one of the interesting things that make me love Bricks. I guess you will do so. Just add the value for the attribute following what you do with CSS. Then click on this button. Find the field where the style is stipulated. And then a variable like this will be in the attribute. You also can add more value for an attribute from custom fields. This is for the color. And this is for the position. Do the same with the style of the banner's description. Also add an attribute with the style stipulated from these two fields. That's all for the banner template. This is the preview of the banner on the front end. You see, the color and the position of the text follow the settings that we set in the custom fields. Let's move to the next step to display this banner in different places. I will take the sidebar as a typical example for where we put the banner on. Just edit the page where the sidebar is on with Bricks. I'll add the banner to this space. Go to the right corner of the header bar of Bricks. Find this icon for adding templates. Choose to insert the one that we've just created. The banner will display immediately. In the structure of the page, there are also the elements following those we added in the template. You also can change their settings to have the look of them being suitable for this place. This is how the banner displays in the sidebar on front end. In any place of a page, insert the created template for the banner. There are also the same elements for the banner. Change their settings to get the right display for full width. Now, on the front end, you can see both of two places displaying the banner with different sizes. They have the same content and some of the settings for style. From now on, whenever you change those content and settings, both of these two banners will change as well. But, they still keep the difference in sizes. You can apply this way to put the banners with the same content in multiplace on your website without designing too many ones. Just saving more time and effort. What do you think about it? Just leave us some feedback in the comment section. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try some other interesting things, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.